It's not easy to start over. But you can do it. And you can do it better than you ever thought you could. It's something that we all have to do at some point in our lives, but it's a daunting process. We can't go back and fix the mistakes we made or the things we wished we had done differently. All we can do is try to make sure that when we start over again, it's better and different than before. When you're starting over, it's important to know that this is a chance for you to do things differently than before. You can learn from your mistakes, and make sure that everything you're doing now builds on what you learned from what went wrong before. And it's also okay if you don't know how to do something yet. You've been trying to do it all on your own, but you're just not making it. You're overwhelmed and frustrated, and you want to know how to get back on track. Try choosing one simple task to work on every day that will make a difference in your life by the end of the week. Stick with it for 30 days straight to start making your life look completely different. Sometimes we get so caught up in what we're doing that we forget to take a step back and evaluate our progress. We get so focused on the end goal that we don't notice the steps we're taking to get there. And then, one day, you look back and realize you've made a lot of mistakes. You slow down and think about what you've done wrong or right, and then you do better next time around. Or maybe it's not that dramatic. Maybe it's just that you start over again because things aren't working out the way they should be. Maybe it's because things have changed since the last time you tried something new. Or maybe you just feel like it's time for a change. Either way, starting over is never easy, but it's often worth it. So what's the secret to not making the same mistakes again? It's simple. Don't be afraid of failure. As long as you're willing to learn from your failures and keep moving forward toward your goals, you'll be successful at implementing change. Here is your daily affirmation to begin again. I am willing to start over and do it better and differently than before. I am a force of nature. I can do anything I put my mind to. I'm starting over with my life right now. I've got a whole new outlook on life. I'm going to do everything differently this time around. Nothing will be left to chance this time around.